If you're having trouble where TikTok says the content is under review, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, this happens when you are trying to upload genuine content. Make sure that your content that you are uploading is genuine and is not misleading or does not violate any terms and conditions of TikTok. If it's genuine and if you are still facing this problem, today's video, let's learn how to fix them. First thing first, launch your TikTok. Get logged into your account and then tap on three-bar icon. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below, Report a Problem. Account and Profile and then Profile Page. Tap on Other here. At this section, tap on Need More Help. And here, simply tap on this Post button and type in your problem saying even though your content is genuine, you're still facing the content under review restrictions. And follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem.